When Wi-Fi is used in a home, only the primary access point is used as a signal emitter. This is the router. This is the first mistake when it comes to a large house or with obstacles, for example, several floors. Also, some furniture and objects can generate interference that impairs the intensity and coverage of the wireless signal. It is recommended to place the router in a free and high space. Avoid storing it in a cabinet and try to position one of your antennas vertically and the other horizontally to improve signal emission. Care must be taken with surfaces and metal objects. Other devices such as microwaves, TVs, wireless phones, and more may cause interference. If possible, place the router in a central room in the house. Another option is to use a PLC and a Wi-Fi repeater. The PLC is a device that allows you to transmit the signal of your internet connection through the electrical wiring of your home, both Wi-Fi and Ethernet. This way, if you have the router in a room and the signal does not reach the room, you can carry it through the plugs to have more coverage there. Wi-Fi repeaters or adapters capture the signal from an existing Wi-Fi network to extend it over a large area. It's like a bridge between the area where it has good Wi-Fi coverage and the area that requires more signal. Unlike PLCs, Wi-Fi amplifiers do not need to purchase any kind of pack, as only a single device is needed to expand the Wi-Fi network, which makes them a cheaper alternative. There is another type of device that can also be an option. These are the wireless accesses equipped with Wi-Fi mesh technology. Its operation is like conventional PLCs, bringing the connection over the wired network, with the difference that they allow to manage traffic intelligently and therefore much more efficiently. This management means that your devices don't necessarily have to connect to the nearest access point you've installed in your home, but to the one that will ensure more efficient traffic management and higher performance.